Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show today. For this episode, we're going to turn some trash into treasure, okay? So I found a pot on the side of the road and I like the shape of it, but I think the color of it is hideous. So I want to redo it, like remaster it. And once it's finished, I'm going to give it to a friend. Now, I already did this with another one and I still have it, so I'm going to show you that too, just to show you how easy this can be. Like if you find some stuff at a garage sale or a thrift store and maybe you like the shape or just the way it looks, but the color is just disgusting, you can do this. Are you ready? I am. Let's do it. Okay guys, for this episode, you're gonna need some kind of a pot. I would not go with plastic. This is, I think it's ceramic, okay? So like I said in the intro, I found this on the side of the road. I like the shape, I like the texture, but I did not like the color. So I went ahead, as you can see, I spray painted it, okay? And now I'm going to just kind of decorate the ridges, you see? And the way I'm choosing to do that is I'm going to use glitter resin, of course glitter. And this is what I'm going with. And this is a fine glitter, okay? Because the last time I used one of these squeezy bottles, I used kind of a chunky glitter, and what happens is the little chunks get stuck in the lid, So I think maybe if we just use a finer glitter, maybe that'll be better. Then I also have this white that I'm gonna mix a little bit in, just because this blue is dark and it's pretty, but it's going to it's going to be dark against that black. So I want to do something to lighten it up a little bit. Then I also have this like tealish blue color. So we'll throw a little bit of that in there as well. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up the resin and then we'll be right back. Okay. So this is the mix. So we've got the dark blue, a little bit of white, and a little bit of that light blue. But you know what? I think we should put some more blue in there. Look how pretty. Okay. So here it is, right? Ready to go. Okay, I don't know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna give it a shot. So, I'm gonna tilt it like so, and I'm just gonna go. Here we go. Okay, and then we're gonna wait. See how it dribbles down. Now some of these I'm doing you know, like a little bit more than others, because I want to see how far down it'll go. This one's going crooked, damn it. Ooh, we're almost to the end. Oh, I missed one. Oh, no I didn't. Okay, so, I mean, that looks nice and everything, but I feel like it needs more. You know what I mean? Like, it's just not showing up as much as I had hoped that it would. All right, so now look at how much I got left. God dang it. Okay guys, for your animal fact today, we're going to talk about giraffes, and I'm going to go fast. Are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so I used to be a giraffe interpreter when I worked at the zoo in Naples, Florida. Okay, so here's what I can tell you. They are the tallest animals in the world. They have those long necks so that they can watch out for predators, and also they eat from the tops of the acacia trees. Okay, so they have a long tongue, and it is about 12 inches long. Also, it's purple, and that is because they don't want to get sunburned while they're up there in the sky. So they drink water every couple of days, but they can go without for up to 21 days. And when they do drink, they can drink up to 13 gallons in one sitting. Okay, those pokey things on the tops of their heads, those are not horns, those are called ossicones, and they are made up of bone and skin and hair. Okay? The last thing I want to tell you is there is such a thing as a Fleischmann response, which is where they smell and lick each other's pee, and that is how they can tell if it's a boy or girl, where they're from, who they're dating, all that jazz. Nasty. All right. Okay, well, I guess we'll just go around the top of it here. Oh, that's kind of cool. You know, and then some of it's gonna drip down. See? Now some of you might not like this, and that's okay, you don't have to. You can do your project however you want. I didn't even know I was gonna do this. Really was not part of my original plan. But it's definitely unique. Yeah, I want some of that to drip down over here too, you know what I mean? This chair is really squeaky, but I got it for free, so can't really bitch. Maybe I'll get some WD-40, what my dad would say. All right, so while we let this finish drying, I'm gonna show you guys the other pot that I found with this one. The way I painted it, I used Color Shift paints and some glitter, so check this out. Okay, I think it's pretty dry now. It's been a couple days. So this is the final result. I know you can't see it that great, but look at how pretty that is down there at the bottom, you know? So I'm just gonna throw some fake, I don't know what, something in there just to show you what it looks like really finished. Other than that, I want to say thank you guys for coming to the show. I really do appreciate you, and you know, the support has been wonderful. We're growing in numbers, and that is amazing. So thank you guys so freaking much. All right, have a good one. Be safe out there.